I recall when you said that you would never leave me. You told me more, so much more like winter time. You whisper in my ears, there was heaven in my heart. I remember when you said that you'd be here forever. Then you left without even saying that you're leaving. I was hurt, and it really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I pray that you would stay, but then you're gone and oh so far away. I was afraid nang malaman ko na kayo na pala ng best friend ko. Nasasaktan ako, pinagkalat mo pa na wala na tayo. Minsan lang umibig akong tanga, pinagpalit pa ako sa pugi ng inang pokpok. Mamatay ka na, niloko nyo ko harap-harapan ko